Hi folks, welcome to campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2024 Prolite Mini. Now, if you've got a small vehicle that does not have a high tow rate, for example, 1,500 pounds, guess what? You can tow this trailer because this trailer only weighs 1,050 pounds. That's right, an actual hard-sided travel trailer that you can tow with a smaller vehicle. This one comes equipped with a propane tank on the front. You've got an awning on the outside and an exterior outlet. But what's really great is when we get inside and you see everything you get in that small lightweight package. All right, I'm standing inside the 2024 Prolite Mini, 1,050 pounds, and as you can see, I'm standing up in it. Even though the trailer only weighs 1,000 pounds, it's actually tall enough that you can stand up in it, and it sleeps 4 adults. Crazy. All right, so we've got a nice pantry in this one, and then this, of course, is a couch right now, but it turns into your bed. So you can pull it out, and it turns into a full-size bed. Comes, of course, with a converter, as you can see there, and then over here it has a furnace in it, as well as a gas electric fridge, so you can work off propane or you can be plugged in on this trailer. And then this one does come with the microwave option as well, and a storage cabinet. And then you can see here in the front of the trailer, you've got a large dinette that actually 4 adults can actually sit around in a trailer that only weighs 1,000 pounds. Really, really great option. Comes equipped with a vent fan on it, 12-volt vent fan, and it's just a great affordable option for those smaller vehicles, people that want to get out there, get camping, have minimal setup, and be able to go camping. Folks, this is the 2024 Prolite Mini, available now at Campkins. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, which is just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So why don't you come on out, help us help you make your RV dreams come true.